Toy Planet. Hi guys, today we're playing Don't Push the Wrong Mystery Button.
So guys, we've got 4 buttons here. We've got 4 buttons here. 3 of them have got like booby prizes, and 1 has got a good prize.
What's
so we're
booby prize?
Like a bad prize. Right guys, so we're going to take it in turns to push the buzzers. Are you going first or am I going first?
Me.
Okay, so Eva's going to go first. Wait, hold your horses. So she's going to push the button. If it's got something bad behind it, it's going to make a bad sound like this. And if it's got something good behind it, it's going to make a good sound like this. Okay? Okay, so have a good think before you press the button and tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
You ready? Oh no! Eva's got a bad button. Oh, look what's coming. Oh, so guys, the blue button means Eva has to take one of these sour sweets and hold it in her mouth for 10 seconds. But you have to suck on it, okay? You can't sit there with it in your mouth, you actually have to suck on it. Are you ready for this? It says, warning, radioactive sours. So hopefully it's going to be really sour. Right guys, so I've got Eva's sour sweet out. Are you ready? I'm going to count to 10 and you have to suck it. Okay? Go! Put it in. 1, 2. I'm going to stop the clock every time you take it out. Back in. Put it back in. It has to go in your mouth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was it really bad? Was it really bad? Right guys, so it's my turn now. And I am definitely gonna go for this buzzer here because it's pink and I love pink. Right guys, so here goes. I'm gonna press the button. Right guys, so looks like my punishment is Eva gets to dunk ball pit balls all over my head.
Right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna move the chair because this is more difficult. Ready? Steady? You have to keep it.
I can't even get the box on my head, Eva. Hey! Eva, you're so mean! I'll get you back. Don't worry, Eva. Right guys, so we've got 2 buzzers left. We've got a green and we've got a yellow. Are you ready? Which one are you gonna go for? So that sound means Eva gets a special prize. So by the looks of things, Eva is getting to open a toy. So guys, Eva gets to open this cute Zuru's Pets Alive, and it's called Boppy the Booty Shaking Llama. It says she spins 360 degrees. So let's just hear that one more time.
Look at here. She spins. So she spins her head, spins her bottom. Look what happens.
That's so funny. So guys, if you love Boppy the Booty Shaking Llama, check out our Instagram because we will be giving one of these away on Instagram shortly. So make sure you enter Oh, she's so cute. Do you love her? She's super soft, guys. Yeah. And look at her cute hair, her rainbow hair at the front. Right, guys, so last round. We've got one more buzzer left to press. I know it's going to be something bad because Eva's already found the prize. So I'm just going to press it. So guys, for the last round, we've got these balls. They've got spikes on them and Eva gets to throw them at Mummy. Okay, you're such a bad cracker. That was really hard. No!
Fight! You win!
Right guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys!
Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys, and click on the bell to be notified of our new videos.